never had this much money.
I'm staking 100 mil, Thomas. I'm so scared, dude. If I lose, I'm quitting.
No, you're not. You're staking a quarter of your bank. I staked literally half my bank.
I'm still staking it. Okay.
45.
I'm doing it, Thomas. I'm shaking. Oh my god, dude. This is gonna suck, dude. This is gonna suck. That.
Yeah. Trevor went double my money.
Okay, here we go. Thomas, I'm in. I'm in.
Oh, fuck. You're gonna lose.
I know.
Trevor just staked 100 mil. And he's so lost. Trevor, can I give you money?
I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose. No, Jagex. Jagex, please. No, dude, hit! Hit! No, this is so stupid. No! This sucks. This sucks, dude. This sucks.
Oh, come on. No, Keith. He's gonna lose.
I lost.
No, there's no way Trevor
There's no
wins.
way I can win with an HP.
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
No.
Oh my god.
The fucking poison.
I'm doing my bank, Thomas. What should I sell? Bandos? Armadillo?
Get the fuck up. No one cares.
Primordials? DFS?
Trevor, not like this. Just like...
No, Thomas, I don't care. I'm doing
Trevor,
it.
you have an addiction.
I'm doing it. Doing it. Cash stack. My cash stack is 119 mil. How much am I down though?
You're down 120 mil.
So,
If you stake it all,
will I be up or?
you'll be even. You'll be down a mil.
Okay, well I'm selling more stuff then.
5 mil.
Should I sell my AGS?
2, 3.
Should I sell my AGS?
6 stakes.
Should I sell my AGS?
No, Trevor, just don't stake more. You're gonna quit. Think of how fun the game is bossing and stuff.
I don't care. I'm staking this, dude. I'm just going all in.
Yeah. It costs 50, but it's the same spec.
I'm selling my AGS. Oh my gosh. This is my baby, dude.
Trevor, just don't.
I'm
You're
doing
gonna quit
it.
the
I'm
game.
doing it.
There's no way you win.
I know, there isn't, but here I go. Going to the duel arena. I have 166 mil. But it's just a game.
The same, but it looks worse.
Yep, he hit a 24. Good fight me. I 100% guarantee I know I lost this one.
Trevor, why did you do this?
I'm an idiot, but you know what? It's
Get
life.
the fuck out.
Yep. He's gonna hit a 15. I won!
No way.
I won!
What the fuck? He won? When you make 10 mil staking your whole bank.
How much am I up? 20
like
mil?
30 mil. 30 mil. Time to rebuy all your shit, Trevor.
Oh, yes! Yes, dude, I recorded that. SparcMac.